Hey, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you the ignition switch from Amazon. It is part number 701/80184509888. This ignition switch, I bought one for my New Holland L865 skid steer. So I couldn't find any wiring diagram for this anywhere. I looked all over the interwebs. I did like the way that this switch looked. It looks a little bit more modern from the old switch that was on my skid steer. However, the bottom where the connectors are completely different. So I got the opportunity to test out these connectors and find out what they do. The two that are directly in the middle are for your battery. I connected my battery to one and took a piece of heat shrink and put it over the other just to make sure that it didn't connect with anything else inside the machine. The next connector we're going to see is going to be the two on the outside. Remember, for the battery and for the starter, you're going to need a larger female wire connector. This is going to be a 10 to 12 gauge wire connector. And again, I did the same thing. I connected my starter to one of these and covered the other with heat shrink. And then I jumped on to the ignition. So the ignition is going to be more towards the center. You'll see it's a 3N. So this is the one that I found that made the ignition work. And then finally, we're going to look at the accessory, and this one was a little bit more difficult to figure out. So the one that is 2N at the top, that one did my accessories when the key was on. The one in the bottom of the picture, it's a little prong that sticks out all by itself, and this is the one that had power to the accessories when the key was turned to the left. And that's pretty much your wiring diagram to change your New Holland skid steer over to a more modern ignition switch. I like the big black plastic keys. A little bit harder to lose a key like that if you drop it in the machine. And like I said, it fits pretty good in your skid steer, and I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.